Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the word 最. So 最 indicates a degree which is the top, so the most. Then let's try, there are two ways that we can use something the most. Then the first one, it is 最 plus an adjective, which is the most something or the prettiest. Okay, so that will be 最 plus an adjective, and then let's try the first one. So the most beautiful, that would be 最漂亮. So 漂亮 is beautiful, or you can say 美丽. Two ways, both work. Oh, actually you can also say 好看, 好看. So 最好看, the most beautiful. Okay, try to put this in a sentence. I say, this cup, it is the most beautiful one. So I will say,
这个杯子最好看。9月去旅游最好。我觉得9月去北京旅游最好。你觉得呢？我也这么觉得。